Okay, in this video, we will solve this problem right here. And in the description box of this video, there are categorized limit problems. There are also uncategorized limit problems too. There's two playlists. And so let's begin with this one. Now the problem here with this particular problem is if I put in 0 right here, I have 3 divided by 0. And we always like to avoid dividing by 0 in math. So let's kind of break this problem down. So what we're going to do is pretend we just have sine 3 divided by x. And we have to think, what's the biggest value sine can be and what's the smallest value? Like sine, it oscillates. So the biggest value you'll ever get is 1 and the smallest value you'll ever get is -1. Now we have e raised to sine 3 divided by x. So let's put an e. Let's put an e everywhere. So now we have e raised to -1 is less than or equal to e raised to sine 3 divided by x, which is less than or equal to e raised to 1. Now we have x times that piece, so why not just add an x here, add an x here, and add an x here. And from now, we can try to get the limit of this piece and this piece for the limit as x approaches 0. And if they both equal the same value, then we'll be able to calculate the limit for this piece right here. So let's do that. So we have the limit as x approaches 0 for x divided by e. And so if you plug in 0 for x, you would have 0 divided by e, and e is about 2.72. And so we would get 0. Likewise, let's do this piece. You have the limit as x approaches 0 for x times e. Again, if x is 0, you have 0 times e, which you'll also get 0. Therefore, we can conclude the limit would in fact equal 0. And that's all we need to do for this problem.